We're here at Sacksetter's Interiors, owner Karen Sacksetter with us. And this has been a crazy year over the past year. A lot of places have back orders and delays. How are things here at Sacksetter's?
We're doing really good. We have in-stock furniture so people can walk in, see what they like. We can deliver to them within 7 days. Of course, we have a lot more on order. We're ready. We've been doing this for 33 years. And also if artwork, accessories, lighting, we have a lot of product. We have what you're looking for, and we're affordable pricing. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here for 33 years.
That's huge. The furniture is incredible, and you have interior designers on staff too.
Yes, we have a whole design service, and we can come to your home. We can help you pick out the right dining room table, sofas, or any of the different things that you want. So Sacksetter's Interiors, we're here to help you at affordable prices.
That's awesome. Well, I know you can learn lots more information on the website, sacksettersinteriors.com.